Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. How are you today? For today's lesson, you are going to learn seasons and weather with me, Mrs. Amira. Let's get started. There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Terdapat 4 musim dalam setahun: spring, musim bunga; summer, musim panas; autumn, musim luruh; dan winter, musim sejuk. Each season lasts 3 months, with summer being the warmest season and winter being the coldest. Summer musim yang paling panas dan winter musim yang paling sejuk. Winter, musim sejuk. During winter, there will be snowfalls. We can play in the snow and build a snowman. Do you know this snowman? Yes, this is Olaf. After winter, it is spring, musim bunga. It usually turns warmer, trees begin to grow their leaves, plants start to flower, and animals become active again. After spring, it is summer, musim panas. The weather is hot. It is suitable time to go to the beach. Don't forget to bring your important items. Have fun! Next, it is autumn. It is sometimes called fall, musim luruh. The tree leaves will change color and begin to fall from trees. Can you tell me what color are these leaves? Now, let's sing the season song. Are you ready?
Did you know that there are 4 seasons in every year? What's your favorite season?
If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, you've got 4 terrific reasons to shout out and name the seasons. Clap your hands.
If you really love the winter, go like this. If you really love the winter, go like this. 'Cause the winter is the season when your nose is always freezing and you're shivering and sneezing. Go like this.
In the spring you run and play and shout hooray!
Hooray!
In the spring you run and play and shout hooray!
Hooray!
In the spring the grass is growing and the gentle breeze is blowing and the warmer sun is glowing. Shout hooray!
Hooray!
Well, if you really love the summer, stamp your feet. If you really love the summer, stamp your feet. In the summer you can play and swim and camp and fish all day. All summer, please don't go away. Stamp your feet.
If you really love the autumn, slap your knees. If you really love the autumn, slap your knees. When it's beginning to get cold and the leaves turn red and gold, then it's back to school you go. Slap your knees.
Now, let us learn about the weather. Sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy, and snowy. Look at these pictures. Sunny, cuaca cerah, partly cloudy, cloudy, mendung, rainy, hujan, stormy, ribut, windy, berangin, dan snowy, bersalji. Sunny, cuaca cerah. Can you see the sun? Murid-murid nampak matahari? Kalau ada matahari, maksudnya cuaca cerah. Windy, berangin. This is the suitable time to play kites. Masa yang sangat sesuai untuk bermain layang-layang. Cloudy, mendung. Kalau mendung, petanda nak hujan kan? Snowy, bersalji. Nampak tak salji turun? Mesti sejuk kan? Now, let's sing the weather song. Enjoy!
How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Let's look outside. Is it snowy today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today?
Turn to page 6. Exercise 1. What is the weather today? Match the words with the picture. For example, for A, can you see the sun? So, what is the weather? Very good, sunny. So, write A at the box beside sunny. Can you do this? For exercise 2, turn to page 7. Weather draw. Draw the weather. For example, number 1, today it's sunny. So, if it's sunny, what can you draw? Yes, you can draw a sun to show that it is sunny. Can you do it? I believe you can. That is all for today. See you later. Bye.